Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable trademark-safe logo design workflows with USPTO, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. Start by understanding what trademark-safe logo design means. A trademark-safe logo design ensures that your logo does not infringe on existing trademarks. Begin by conducting thorough research on existing trademarks. Visit the United States Patent and Trademark Office website. Utilize the Trademark Electronic Search System, known as TESS. Enter keywords related to your logo design ideas. Review the search results for existing trademarks that may conflict with your design. Take note of similar logos in terms of design and wording. Create a mood board with your logo design concepts. Focus on originality while developing your logo. Consider hiring a professional designer if needed. Once you have a draft, seek feedback from trusted peers or mentors. Use their insights to refine your logo design further. When satisfaction is reached, prepare to file for trademark protection. Gather all necessary documentation, including logo design files. Complete the online application on the USPTO website. Choose the correct filing basis for your trademark application. Pay the required filing fee to submit your application. Monitor the status of your application through the USPTO portal. Be prepared to respond to any office actions or inquiries from the USPTO. Once approved, use the registered trademark symbol alongside your logo. Regularly monitor the trademark database for potential conflicts in the future. By following these steps, you can establish trademark-safe logo design workflows. This will help protect your brand and invest in its long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.